So one of you sent the link to this particular platform that will pay you every day just to sign in to the platform. Yes, it's as simple as signing into the platform every single day and then you get paid. And if you sign in consecutively without leaving a day out, you get paid higher rewards. At first, I was hesitant, but when I started seeing a lot of people sharing the link everywhere, I decided to give it a try. How many of you remember the high flyers updates I brought to you sometimes in the past where you needed to upload pictures and then you get paid? I personally earned over 100,000 naira from that particular site, and then yes, we were required to provide our national identity number as well, and that's similar to this particular website. And this is just so they can control those who are going to create multiple accounts. So this is a Nigerian poverty alleviation program or poverty reduction program. And apart from just earning daily by signing in, you also get access to free grants of about 1.5 million naira. Okay, so that's another opportunity that this particular platform provides. And apart from that as well, you can get to earn 500 naira on each of your friends that you invite to the platform, and all they have to do is just to basically register and then you get your 500 naira. There's no stress on this particular platform. You don't need to deposit any amount of money. You don't need to link your WhatsApp to any particular platform. All you basically have to do is to sign in daily, refer your friends if you want to get higher rewards, and then you get a chance to be among those who are going to be lucky to get the free grants of 1.5 million naira. Since I know a lot of you will likely ask for withdrawal proofs, I gathered prepared withdrawal proofs for you. So if you missed high flyers, don't snooze on this particular one. That is the major reason why I left other important videos I was preparing to come record this one and then bring to you this update, just so we can take action quickly, as platforms like these do have their expiration dates just like high flyers. So I don't want to say too much now. Let me just head straight to the registration. I want to walk you through the process and how you can do this and earn. So if you're with me, let me know. So when you click the link that I'll be leaving in the description or comment section of this video, check the pinned comment. It will redirect you to this page where you have to register. You begin with your email. So now you can see at the top it says email prefix. So you see I didn't put my email with the @gmail.com. So when you're putting your email, please just put what precedes that @gmail.com. They've automatically added their gmail.com for you. So that's it. And then the next box is for you to put your NIN. So you put in your national identity card number there. The third box says you should put your phone number, input your phone number there, and then the fourth box says you should enter the phone verification code. You can see beside it says send. So you click on send so they can send you a verification code. And if it doesn't work, if it's not working out, I suggest that you try to generate the code some minutes after, let's say 30 minutes to an hour. You just wait and then you come back, and when you request for the code, you receive the code. So I know so many people will have that issue while registering, so that's why it's important I state that. So the next one is for you to enter a password. Okay, so put a password that you can remember. You can write it somewhere so you don't forget, and then the next box is for you to repeat the same password just to confirm it. The next box after that is my referral code that you can see there. Leave it as it is. And then lastly, the last box there is where you have to input a captcha code. Take a look at the code by your right. Whatever number or figure you see, the figure or letter you see there is what you have to write in the space provided by the left. And once you're done, you click on register. Okay, so that's how easy it is to register on the Project Hope website. So now that you're done registering, you remember your email that you used in registering, you put it here. We're going to log in now. You type in your email, the email prefix, just like before. The @gmail.com is already by the right, so just the email prefix. So after that, the next thing we have to do now is to put in our password. Remember your password, you put it and then you click on agree, and then that's how we are logged in successfully. So this is the dashboard of the website, and you can see what we have. We have sign in, we have about, we have online. When you scroll up, you see some news list. So our business is to sign in, right? So look at where it says sign in. You click on sign in, and then this is the date I was recording this video, the 17th of April. So all I have to do is to click on sign in immediately. Okay, so when I click on sign in immediately, I'm going to receive 200 naira. That's what I'm earning every day just to sign into this particular website. All right, so you can sign in consecutively without leaving a day out. Your reward increases. You can even get to withdraw up to 2,000 naira and above as you continue to sign in daily on this particular website. Okay, so let's go to another part of this website. The last interface there, it's the me or your profile section. Okay, so here you see where to withdraw, where to add your payment method. Basically everything about you is in the profile section. Okay, so you just go to the last interface that says me, click on it, and then if you want to see or even your balance is there. So that's for that aspect. Moving on to the next interface that says agent. This is where you can get your exclusive referral link in code and share to your friends in order to earn a lot of rewards. And then to the welfare interface, this is just like a list of articles related to welfare. When you check it out, all you have to do is to click on view now. And that wraps it up. I'll be taking your questions in the comments below.